Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your Oreck vacuum needs. Just want to talk to you guys today about some of the common issues. Obviously, for those of you who don't know, our companies are we are a repair center and warranty center for most brands, and we are a repair and authorized service center for Oreck vacuum cleaners. We do everything from their canister vacs, their hand vacs, as well as their upright vacuums. And we get very little Oreck vacuums in. I know some of the cleaning companies that we work with that have commercial products, we see those in, but Oreck has always been a pretty good brand, and they're very easy to work on, very good vacuum cleaners for the most part. A lot of the common issues that we see are rollers not spinning. That's the biggest one. Usually it's just a simple belt replacement. The belts are like $7.99 for a belt to be put on. Sometimes, in some rare instances, it could be the roller, the little bearing in there sometimes seizes up and it doesn't spin freely. That typically happens if you've caught it on something many times and it's trying to spin, but it's stuck on like a carpet fringe or something like that. So belts and rollers are the biggest common issues. We do see loss of suction. It's not picking up very well. Sometimes if you suck something up, it gets stuck there at the bottom part, and then all the dirt gets coming behind it, so you get what's called a clog. So those are very common issues as well. So if it's not picking up very well, that could be a big reason, or because of the roller, that also is a reason. If the roller's not spinning, it's going to feel like it's really hard to push. So some people will be like, man, this thing's been so easy to push, but now I can barely push it. Well, I'll check it, and usually we'll check it and see that, hey, the belt's broke or the roller's not spinning, and then once that is on there. And also too, sometimes if you had that Oreck for a very long time and the roller's still spinning and it's still hard to push, it means the bristles on the roller have wore down and gotten really soft, so it's not grabbing the carpet and help push it along. So that's a big issue. Sometimes we hear loud noises, so customers will turn it on and be like, "Rawr!" There's a little fan inside there that helps with the suction, and pretty much all the dirt and dust goes past that fan. And basically, sometimes if you suck up a coin or some foreign hard object, it will hit that fan blade and crack it, or just deform it, and then that's why you're hearing that loud grinding sound. And those are simple replacements, very easy. We keep those fans in stock just for that reason, because it happens more times than not. Mostly it's going to be more cost effective to fix those than it is just to replace them. Unless it's like a motor issue, that would be the only reason you would have to replace it. Everything else is actually pretty simply low cost and easy to repair. So those are the common issues that we see here at the store. If you are having an issue with your Oreck and you want to give us a call or bring it in, we're open 7 days a week. Our phone number is 703-997-9292, and you can bring it in anytime. We're open 7 days a week. Hope these answered your questions. If you have any more, don't feel free to reach out to us here at Acevacuums. Thanks, guys.